Okay, how to test the advanced alarm panel? You press menu. It's an engineer test. And then go test, press OK. Zones, press OK. Password is default password 67654. Press OK. With sound, without sounders we need. If you need a with sounder, just press that. But we need it without sounders. Press OK. Say zone. I go left and click, and that will throughout maybe let's say zone 20 until 20. That'll put everything on test. So we only have 5 zones. So all zones are test. Now press escape to come out. Press that keep zones in test. Right. Go again, escape. Status will show you the status of the test. So now the test lights on, everything is on test. The way we test it is, let's say this is a code one. So we trigger right, goes red, comes up here, one zone in alarm, ground floor, main entrance, fire. That's it. The way you reset it is you twist
I don't need escape file, man.
and that's it. That's how you reset it.